Hello Slingshot owners, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our NRG flat bottom D-shaped steering wheels for the Polaris Slingshot. NRG has drastically stepped up their game with their new flat bottom D-shaped steering wheel lineup. These steering wheels are made with high quality aluminum and feature steel reinforced welded spokes for a really solid look and feel while driving. They're wrapped in leather and available in a variety of different stitch colors with a matching center stripe to give your Slingshot that race-inspired look it deserves. These wheels measure in at 320 millimeters wide by 300 millimeters tall and are compatible with all our aftermarket steering wheel hubs, NRG quick releases, as well as the SLR 6-bolt steering wheel hub. Now once installed, you'll immediately notice this wheel substantially improves grip and comfort for driving precision, and the flat bottom shape makes it much easier to enter and exit the Slingshot. Now, if a new Polaris Slingshot D-shaped steering wheel is on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click that link in the description below to pick up a new NRG steering wheel for your Slingshot. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date with everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.